Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In the last session we have seen an example how to create a data table in UiPath Studio. So in this session we'll see how we can sort the elements in UiPath in data table with an activity called sort data table. So for that, before sorting the items, so in the previous example we have printed the output on the output panel. So we can also write the data into an Excel sheet. I will show you how we can write that. So for that, just open. So we can see the activity called write range. So just drag and drop into. So here it is asking for the sheet details and the data table. So before that, for using this write range activity, we need to use Excel applications book as we have seen in Excel automation tutorials. I'm going to drag that into our workflow. So I'm keeping this write activity into this field, do body. So here I will mention the folder location where I want to see my Excel output. So here I want to create one new file. So I'm just opening this folder location. So I will run this as I'll copy this folder location and use this folder location to create my Excel sheet. Name this as DT example 6. Okay. So here we need to provide the data table name. So here our data table name is DT. So I'm going to provide the details here as DT. So now this activity will create an Excel sheet with the name DT example. So let's run this and it will print the data values whatever we are seeing in the output panel into the sheet one from A1 column. Okay. So here you can see the output panel we have the details. So I have added some more student names into our data table. So let's verify. So execution is still in progress. So wait for some more time. So here we can see a Excel sheet is generated. Execution and is already open. Here we have the data. So here is the data. So whatever we got in the output panel, we are able to see the same data in our Excel sheet. So this is on .excel lists, right? So if you want to print that values in .csv format, so we can also perform that operation with the help of write CSV. So this is very simple. So I'll keeping this activity after this for loop after Excel application scope. So here I will provide the folder location. So I'm using the same folder location and I will name a new file like CSV PD example. So now this will create a new CSV file. So with the data table value as DT here. So here we don't need to mention any sheet name. So by default, automatically in CSV file, so a table will be created with these values. So let's run this. So now we can see DT CSV is created. So let's open this. So we can see the data here as well. So why we are seeing the header information? So why? Because so in the activity of red CSV, this headers is checked. So that's why we are able to see the header names as student name and roll number. So whereas in the right range, so we have not checked this add headers. So that's why we are not able to see the header information in this. So we are able to see only the records which are available under the columns. So for this time, I will highlight this as well. I'll use this add headers as well. So for sorting the data, so I'm going to use sort activity. So here it is the sort data table. So I'm going to keep this before this right line activity. So if you observe the properties here, so it is having the input field asking for the data table. So I'm going to provide the data table which I want to sort. And another thing here is the output table. So it generates the output into a new data table. So here I'm going to use one more table. So I will create one more variable. So dt sorted. So now this time the output which is sorted will be stored in a new variable called dt sorted, which is of data type along with the field. So sorting column. So here in the data sheet, so we have two columns, student number and roll number. So based on the column which you want to sort, so we need to provide the details here. So if you want to sort based on the index, you need to give the sort number. It accepts only integers. So how it is this is first row, so the first column, so it is 0, so it is 1. So if you want to sort based on the second one, so give the column name, number or name. So in this index column, in the index field, so whereas if you want to give the sort based on the name, so we need to keep the column name. So here I'm going to use based on column name. So I want to sort based on the roll number and what is the order you want to sort. So whether it is ascending order or descending order. So this time I'm going to use ascending order. And another change we need to make is, so here in this right line, so here we have the value. So I'm going to remove this for this time. So and the next thing is we need to change the value here as dt sorted, as we updated the table with the new variable after this. And here also we need to change right from. And this time I am using the headers as well. So I'm going to run this now. Let's see now. Now seems like my CSV is open. So I'll close this and I'll run this again. Closing the both back sessions. This again. Now the execution is completed. So let's check the Excel sheets over here. So I'm going to check this DT example first, which is normal Excel. So we can observe as we have used sort by roll number. So this is in ascending order like 1, 2, 10, 20, 30. So 30, 50, 55 and 60. So initially we have the details. So in an ordered way, so like 1, 2, 55, 66 like this. So let's see the file as well. So dt example.csv. So this one is also updated, and we can see the header information also in the file. So let's change the order to descending and see whether we are able to achieve the task or not. So this time, go to the sort data table, which means to descending. Let's run this. So execution is completed. So I'll open the Excel sheets. So this is the first Excel sheet. So yeah, we will update it in beginning order from highest to the lowest. Let's open the remaining Excel as well. Here also it is updated in some order. So like this, if you want to work with the ordering or the sorting, so we need to use this sort data table, and based on the index or the name or column field, so we need to choose the sorting option and the order, whether it is ascending or descending. So we need to provide the information in the properties of the sorting column. So sorting data table. I hope you like this video. Please do subscribe and like this channel. Thank you.